When we create text style, dimension style, multileader style, block, and hatch, you will find that all of them support to select the annotative option. Now let's create a new dimension style with annotation option selected. Change the color of line and text. And then let's create some annotative dimensions on the drawing. Enable object snap and an auto scale system variable, and create dimensions. Then let's add a new layout space. GstarCAD will automatically create a single viewport in the Layout tool, so select and modify it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to create the second viewport. Enable dynamic input and tap viewport shortcut. Select single option and place the viewport. Repeat the command to create the third viewport. Double-click this viewport, change its scale factor to 1 to 200, and adjust the position of the drawing. Notice that we can't zoom the drawing, cause it will change the scale factor of the viewport. Double-click another viewport, change its scale factor to 1 to 75, and adjust the position of the drawing. Double-click the last viewport, change its scale factor to 1 to 30, and again adjust the position of the drawing. As we had enabled an auto-scale system variable, you can see the annotative dimension text of all viewports are adjusted to the same size automatically. Explore more in GstarCAD Annotation Scaling Tutorial Part 3.